Make your own multivitamin or a Zobo drink at home and you're gonna like it. Come, let me show you how you're gonna make this wonderful multivitamin. It's a healthy vitamin or Zobo drink. Come along. Hi guys, so today we are going to be making these are the ingredients we are going to use to make this juice. I have pineapple here. I have 2 beetroots, and I have orange apples. I have more than 8 oranges here, and I have dirt, and I'm going to use hibiscus flower, or you can call it Zobo flower, and I'm going to be using also clove, okay, some cloves, so guys, okay, and other ingredients that might come later. So keep watching. Let me show you how I prepare this multivitamin juice or drink. You go ahead to cut pineapple. This pineapple, I've already washed it very thoroughly. I use sponge to cut the pineapple very thoroughly because I'm going to make use of the back of this pineapple. So if you're doing your own, please wash it very nice. So after peeling the pineapple, look here, this is the back of the pineapple. I have to set it aside because we are going to make use of it. Cut it. Okay. Oh, this is so, it smells so nice. Smells so nice, guys. I think I need to test this. Come and take, guys, take this. And we will go ahead to peel our beetroot. I've washed them very nicely, so I have to peel this beetroot off camera, then I will come and show you. You can see because of the color, I don't want this to stain my hand. That's why you see me wearing my glove. So if you are preparing it, remember to wear your glove. Yeah, so I have to cut it. This beetroot has a lot of juice. It's so nice, guys. So our beetroot is ready, our pineapple is ready, and we are going to go ahead to begin to prepare the back of the pineapple here. Okay, what again we are going to add here is our Zobo. Look here, I'm going to add Zobo. I want to use the full pack of this Zobo. I have like 3 packs of Zobo here. I'm going to use only 1. So I'll go ahead to wash this. Wash it very thoroughly, and make sure you don't remove all the color in it. Only to remove some dust and sand in it. Okay, so we are going to add it here. I'm going to add our Zobo. As I'm doing, my light is already on. Going to be cooking. So guys, you can see here, this is why you need to wash it very well. You can see this is the sand from the Zobo flower or hibiscus flower. Okay. And we don't forget, we have to add some clove. This is clove. Everything I'm using here is bio. I'm going to be using a small, I'll wash it too. I have to wash it. And also add some clove, not much of clove. Yeah, let's add some. Let's add more. Let's add more because I'm doing a bigger multivitamin, or you can call it Zobo. Okay, I'm going to add water to cook the back of the pineapple, Zobo, and the clove. We're going to cover it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I will show you the rest of it. Continue watching. Let's get started. We're going to be juicing out the apple now, guys. And this is my blender. I'll start it. So our apple is done. We go ahead to juice our pineapple, guys. I'll juice all here, guys. I'll juice all here. This is our pineapple. We're going to juice them out, guys. We get started. So guys, this is our pineapple and apple juice. Is already set, and now I'll pour it here because we need to juice out beetroot, guys. I'll pour it here and set aside, and this our beetroot. Now I'll go ahead to juice it out. See the juice. So you can see the juice. We have juiced them out, remaining the orange. Don't forget, guys. But before we juice the orange out, come and see our hibiscus flower cooking. Our hibiscus flower cooking with the back of the pineapple. Back of the pineapple, clove, and hibiscus. You can see them. I'm cooking with them with the low heat, and it is about to done for some minutes now, for 5 minutes now. I will reduce the heat and allow it to be here for some minutes so that the pineapple can infuse in the water. The back of the pineapple can infuse in the water. So guys, don't forget we are using that, okay? And someone may ask, when are you going to put the dirt? You're going to put it, just keep watching. Don't go away. But first of all, we need to juice out our orange. So if you have orange, this will take a little bit time. You have to remove the back of your orange, okay? Unless you have another juicer that you can juice all of them together. But that's the way you can do it. Remove the back of your orange and you can cut it, and before you can juice it. Look at how it's supposed to be before you can juice it out. So we are going to juice out our oranges, guys. I peel this out off camera because I don't want to waste you a lot of time. I'm trying to show it step by step so that if you are doing your own, it will be easier for you. So nice. So guys, this is what we got from the orange. I hope the way I'm showing it step by step will benefit some people who have not done it before. So this is our diet. I'm going to show you how we are going to do this diet now. Guys, come and join me. So guys, somebody may ask, when are you going to use the diet? I want to know how you put it. So Now watch it. This dirt is gonna be our sweetener, guys. I'm gonna wash it very well, although there is no dirt in it. I will add it on in my blender. Okay, I will add it in my blender, and you see how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use orange because I don't want to add another water in this our juice, so that it's going to be sweet. When it's too much water, it's not gonna be sweet again. So I'm going to use orange. You can also use the water from and blend it, because I prefer using the orange one. Now so guys, after blending it, this is the outcome. Blend it so to be sweet, to be smooth. Okay, now I'll show you what I'm going to do with it now, guys. It's time to mix it together, guys. Just look what we're going to do now. Because I need this bowl, I will transfer the apple juice here, and I will go ahead to put the rest. I'll put the rest here in this dirt. Okay, first of all, I will go ahead to sieve if you like, you can also rinse it, guys. If you like, you can rinse it. Okay, but let this be aside for now. So you can see this is the one we get from our pineapple. I'll go ahead to sieve our you see, I've sieved the hibiscus and the plantain and the pineapple back. I'll transfer the water here. Oh, so great. Looks so yummy. You have to check if there is any sand. There is no sand. That shows I wash it very nicely. So we go ahead now to sieve that, the one I blended. Okay, we're going to sieve it. Yeah, we still have some particles here. I might use this orange to rinse it very nicely. So this is the orange I used to rinse it. So if you want to use water, you can use water to rinse this very properly. So make sure this dirt, all of them come. Guys, this is the reason why I say I'm not going to use water before, because this dirt need water to rinse, so that all the sweetener will come out. Okay, I will now add it here and make sure I rinse it nicely. Added all the juices we made together. So guys, how do you see this our recipe? You go ahead now, guys. Here you see how the bubbles. This is how it's gonna taste. I don't like adding adding sugar in my dish. You can add honey if you are drinking it, but this is how I want it, guys. Yeah, if case may be, if I'm drinking, if I need like honey, if it's not sweet enough as I want it, or my children, I might use honey for them. But this is how this juice looks like. This is how it looks like. Let's test it, guys. Oh, so nice. I give my cameraman to test. My cameraman, my son, is videoing me. Thank you so much for videoing me. You can drink and let me know. Is it tasty?
Yes.
Lekker, right?
Yes.
So guys, bye. Love you guys.